Here are some tips for funding your PhD from the Office of Fellowships and Scholarships at the University at Buffalo. The journey to funding your PhD starts before you decide on a university. As you gather a list of programs that match your interests, you will also want to inquire about the funding structure and internal fellowships at each institution and department you apply for. If you are fortunate enough to receive multiple offers, take into consideration not only the stipend amount, but also other benefits and the cost of living for that city. Ultimately, when deciding on a PhD program, the most important consideration is finding a compatible faculty advisor in your general area of research interest. Let's talk about the funding structure at UB. Teaching assistantships, TAs, research assistantships, RAs, and graduate assistantships, GAs, are the main sources of internal funding. Assistantships are generally offered by the department upon admission to a program. UB also has 3 fellowships offered to a select number of incoming PhD students each year. Presidential fellowships fund outstanding graduate students. Applicants must have a 3.4 cumulative undergraduate GPA or higher. Arthur A. Schomburg fellowships fund high-achieving doctoral students who have overcome a disadvantage or other impediment to success. Graduate school fellowships also fund outstanding graduate students at UB. You can contact your academic department for more information about these fellowships. Assistantships involve working a certain number of hours per week in exchange for a stipend and potentially a tuition credit or waiver. A teaching assistantship, TA, may be listed as an instructor of record, a lab or recitation instructor, or a course assistant. Research assistantships, RAs, involve supporting ongoing research directed by a principal investigator, PI, with duties varying based on the specific methodology and norms within the area of research. RAs are more common within STEM disciplines. Finally, graduate assistantships, GAs, are flexible support roles that take place in departments across the university, and the type of work will depend on the type of office. GA postings can be found on Bullseye, UB's job and internship site. GA positions can also be found by word of mouth and by networking across departments. During your PhD program, be sure to think at least a year in advance of where you are now when searching for funding. Different awards are open to students at different stages in the PhD journey. For example, while you are conducting research, there is funding available to cover direct research expenses. During your final year, there are awards that allow you to focus solely on writing your dissertation. There are also postdoctoral fellowships that allow you to continue conducting research and prepare for a career in academia. Be sure to also talk to faculty members and more advanced graduate students about where they get their funding. Here are some application tips for scholarships and fellowships. First, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Second, keep track of the application components for each award, such as a transcript, recommendation letters, and a personal statement and/or research statement. Finally, leave yourself enough time to put together a strong application. Get feedback on your writing from professors and friends, as well as resources like the Center for Excellence in Writing, CEW. Be sure to ask your recommenders for a letter at least 1 month before the deadline. There are several ways to connect with the Office of Fellowships and Scholarships. You can use our scholarship database to search for awards at buffalo.edu/fellowships/funding. Make an appointment with an advisor to talk through your goals, learn more about a specific award, or receive feedback on a draft. Contact us in person at 24 Capon Hall on UB North Campus, by phone at 716-645-9100, via email at fellowships@buffalo.edu, or on the web at buffalo.edu/fellowships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you.